everyone. In today's video, I'm using another little dollar store find. It was a little like Nerf dart type thing, and it has just like this little air squeezer that you just put the dart in and then you'd squeeze it and it would fly. So I was actually looking at this, and I think this would be a really interesting shape to use as a stamp, but I was focused on the little foam pieces. So the foam end that has a little hole in it would make one design, and then this other end would make a different design. So you could use it two different ways. I just wanted to try it out. I think I just have some white paint here, and I'm gonna do this one first, and I'm gonna try out the end of it, and then I'll try out the dart part. But I think it's just going to be just a really nice, even design. Okay, so a little bit of too much paint, maybe some inks. Oh, there we go. This almost reminds me of like a Cheerio. Oh, but it works really well as long as you don't have too much paint at the end. It won't fill in that hole. And you could do all sorts of different colors with this one. But I'm just going to keep going with this page, and then on the next page we'll try that side. Okay, so that worked really nicely. Again, if you have just a little bit of too much paint on there, it'll fill in that middle hole, but I really like that one. Again, just rinse it off and you could reuse these, but I'm gonna try this other side. Obviously, it's gonna be a full image, it's not gonna have the hole in it, but I just don't know, since it's more of like a little suction cup, I don't know if it'll just look any different or if it's just gonna be, we're gonna see what this looks like. Let's see. Yeah, just pretty even circular mark. Let's see. But we'll keep going with that. Okay, so that one is quite a bit less uniform because it's flexible, but overall, two really fun designs with just one little tool. So I hope you guys liked seeing this. I think this is my favorite. I really like the way that turned out. Again, it reminds me of Cheerios. You could take some Cheerios and stamp them and see what that would look like. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.